Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Uncle Sam, and I'm really happy to have you here guys. Finally, as per promise, I've been delivering, and I just want to let you know that I'm using the new Canon lens, the Nifty 50. And man, I'm just gonna go over a lot of things that I had to deal with, right? So first and foremost is that number one, you need an adapter. If you have the Canon M50, as you already know, this is this is the camera I've been using for quite some time, right? So you need the Nifty 50. So what this lens basically does is that it gives you that the bokeh effect. And what the bokeh effect is, well known on YouTube, is that it makes your subject pops and it makes the background, as you can see, blurry, right? So I got the lens. What I needed was an adapter, right? So I need an adapter for, and all of this stuff I will have it in the description, but I had some troubles. And troubles are good, but I almost gave up, guys. And the reason why I almost gave up, this is the reason why. So basically, after I got the adapter and I got the lens, I've never dealt with anything like this before. Connected everything, it's not working. It's just blurry, no focus. I'm like, okay, why is it not focusing? I'm not too sure. I tried almost everything under the heavens, right? And I keep trying these things and it's not working. So I'm like, okay, what is happening? Now finally, I went through so many videos. What if it's not working? And it's like, you gotta fix the lens like this. And I'm like, okay, you know what? I'm gonna send this lens back. You know what the problem was? I did not tighten the lens enough on the actual adapter. The minute I went click, it was over, guys. It literally was over. It was focusing, everything was good, and I was super happy. And man, I almost brought back the lens. I don't think you can bring back the lens, but I was just so happy that it started working. So that was basically what I had with it. Some of the issues that I have, even though I look so close to the camera is like extremely far. Like I can't even reach it. This is how far it actually is. And the reason why, unlike the 1545 mm that comes, the lens kit that comes with the actual M50 that could be closed and I had to zoom out, one of the reasons being is the crop factor, and it's a wide angle lens. Apparently it's supposed to be. I don't feel like it is because I have to go further and further and further. But nevertheless, I actually like the quality that I'm getting, and you probably could enjoy it, as I can't really see clearly enough, but I'm pretty sure it's pretty cool. It's nice. And so this is some of what you have to deal with. I'm literally probably, I'd say, 7 feet away from the actual camera itself. And you won't even guess this. If you're looking at someone using the Nifty 50, you won't guess it. But as you can see, this is like two of my hands in order to reach the camera. So if you have a small space, you're gonna struggle with this. So this is something that you gotta keep in mind. Other than that, I feel that the lens is super nice. I really do enjoy it. I actually went outside, took a little shots, but not too much. I want to do some more. And one of the things, because I'm shooting solo, then you kind of have that issue. But other than that, guys, I really do enjoy it. It was for 169 Canadian. I think it's 100 USD. The actual adapter was I think 59 or 49 for that. And that was pretty much it. My DC plug-in, the dummy battery, that way I can have the camera going without, you know, changing the battery all the time, that is on its way. I think that is in for delivery tomorrow or so, tomorrow and Thursday. So other than that, guys, it's fine. But it was just quite the experience, and I'm just letting you guys know that if you have the camera and you're having this issue, just try your best to make sure everything is connected, especially not so much the adapter to the lens, because that's straightforward, but the actual lens itself. Turn it until you hear that click. Once you hear that click, that's where it is. So that was one of the biggest issues that I had. And also, just go over this. So you can use your camera, your DSLR, to stream on Instagram. And how you do this, I wouldn't tell you to use this lens, because you literally need like a really, unless you have your laptop or your computer close to the camera and not so close to you, then you're gonna have this kind of issue. But you use this third-party software called Lola TV. That's LOOLA.TV. And what this is basically a third-party app where you connect your DSLR to your computer, and the tutorials also is on my channel how you do this, because Canon has actually launched their utility beta software for all the Canon series, where it basically turns automatically, the software comes on your Windows computer, and it basically turns your camera itself into a webcam, but it's only in Windows computer. Sadly, it's not on Mac. I don't know, man. Mac, Apple, what is happening? But anyways, so basically you have the software on your computer and your DSLR is just a webcam. So you connect the software onto it, and the issues that I was having, and I think I addressed some of it, but I just want to let this be known, is that when you're streaming with Lola, you connect everything and it's detecting the DSLR, which is your webcam. Before you go live on Instagram, you want to turn the knob on the computer from video, or you could just remove the memory card from your DSLR. Just remove the memory card, and you could turn the knob to like photo, right? And remove it off autofocus, have it in manual. So you want to fix your focus on, and then change it, and then you can stream from it. I've tried this with the memory card, without the memory card, on video, and pretty much everything that I've tried so far, the camera, the streaming will time out. But once you remove the memory card and you turn it from the actual video from the movie to something else, like intelligent focus or whatever the case may be, just from movies, then I go 15-24 minutes. It's just running unless the battery times out, whatever the case is. But it works perfectly fine, guys. So if you're gonna do that, like as I said, just look at my last 2 tutorials on this channel and you can get that done. And take care, guys, and we will touch base later. And again, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe, guys. We'll be having a way more content coming soon. And another thing I just want to touch on is this: a lot of businesses are opening up back, like supermarkets. I've been inside, I don't have to go in any line over here in Toronto, so that is some good news. I feel like people are warming up back to the whole idea of being outside, and they're slowly opening up things, so the economy is starting to run. I feel that momentum coming on, guys. So you businesses out there, take advantages of the situation. And you small agency out there, go out, help your community. They really do need you, guys. We have a role to play. We have to help our community. We as marketers, we have to get the community back up in shape. We have to push those businesses, and they need our help, right? We're the heroes now. Before, in the pandemic, we had the healthcare workers, right? The essential workers. We are the essential workers for the business. We got to come there with the strategy, the Facebook strategy, the Instagram strategy, the online strategy, the offline direct-to-consumer marketing strategy. We have to come with these strategy, put it out there, and show them how to apply this to get everything back up and running. A good business can employ more people, guys. Don't think that you're not helping the economy. Don't think that this is not something essential, because if they're hiring more people, that's money in someone else's pocket that can benefit a family. So we have to think about it like that. Don't just think about it selfishly, as in this is just a big opportunity to make money. And yes, it is. This is a big opportunity to make money. This is a big opportunity to buy businesses. This is a big opportunity to become millionaires. Yes, but don't make that your first and foremost. Don't make that your priority. Think about you helping people, and maybe just maybe that will be that drive that you need to wake up in the morning and to show up and to pull up and to give that advice and to feel confident with your pricing and to show them that you truly and you really care and you have empathy and you can understand, right, you show empathy, you try to understand and, you know, attack it not just from I'm a cutthroat business person, I just want your business, but thinking about the long-term gain and how if they're doing well they can hire more people and there's more work, because they said over 800,000 people has lost their job. 800,000 people has actually lost their job, and some of those are hit the most is restaurants. So that would be a targeted niche that I'd focus on, restaurants, and I feel like the restaurants is extremely easy. It's a very easy niche, and the reason why is that there's a lot of play around, there's a lot of wiggle room for that. And I'll try and drop some more I'll try and drop some real restaurant strategy if you so want that. Just stick around, guys. Take it easy, and Uncle Sam is out.